this video, you will learn how to navigate and get to know the home page in student programming. Student programming is a web-based application used by school administrators, staff, teachers, and service professionals to manage special education data. It functions in real time, meaning you have access to information immediately and the most updated information in PowerSchool. It uses a web browser on both desktop and mobile devices. When you log into student programming, it'll automatically take you to your home page, which looks like this. And anytime you wish to return to the home page, you would select the student programming icon in the top left-hand corner, which you can do from almost anywhere, and it comes in handy when you want to start a new task. You can customize the layout of your home page by collapsing the panels and dragging and dropping the panels wherever you want them to go. When you're done, you're going to select the Save Home Page configuration. In the top right corner of your page, click the Help icon. It's the question mark. This will allow you to access resources for using student programming. Next to the Help icon, if you hover over the User icon, which are your initials, you can customize your user options or sign out of student programming. You will have access to certain confidential information about students, so it's important that you always sign out before leaving your workstation. Now let's explore the Help menu. What's New lists new features released with each version of student programming. User Help provides you with documentation on student programming and where to find specific topics, includes screenshots to assist you with step-by-step instructions. Admin Help are step-by-step directions for people that actually run this system. Provincial Help includes release notes and information specific to the province, and other resources. This acts like a Google Drive within student programming, and our DDSB resources for you to use and access at any time can be found in there. Now we're going to take a look at some of the icons at the top of the page when you're in my home page. First is Search. With location-wide or system-wide access, you can search for specific students, classes, locations, and staff using the search menu at the top of the page. Search using a variety of criteria, such as student name, ID, birth date, case manager, and more to locate student profiles and documents. In the Search Student field, you can enter a student's last name, first name, or ID, and as you type, a list of students you have access to is filtered to refine your search. Next to the student's name, you can click the Profile, which is the contact card to access the student's profile, or click the Documents icon. To access the student's documents, once accessed, the student's name will appear in the Students Recently Worked With section in the Quick Access panel. From the main navigation area, use the Communication menu to send and receive messages and view announcements and any upcoming calendar events. Messages are sent from one student programming user to another and are maintained internally within student programming. You can send to your administrator some things that need to be signed. They will receive an email with no information, just a link which will take them to where they need to sign. Next, you'll see reporting. What you'll see here in standard reports are ready to use reports. So if you would like to see the IPRC reports and you'd like a detailed summary of when all of your IPRCs will be, you can do the letter of invitation, and then you'll be able to run a report and have that information. So these reports have already been created. And when you're in there, you can actually add fields to these if you'd like to know more information. The last one to discuss is administration. Only administrators, principals and vice principals, will be able to see this. And this is where they will select utilities, and from here use digital signature documents. This is where the administrator can see needs my signature, and if any need their signature, they can select those documents. Remember when you're done in student programming to select your icon and log out.